Hi guys, so today we're working on volume of triangular prisms. So my daughter Liana is going to be my helper today. Can you say hi?
Hi.
You can't see her, but she's here. So I know you guys did the volume of rectangular prisms the other day, but today we're talking about triangular prisms. So the volume of triangular prisms are actually pretty easy to do. As long as you remember how to do the area of a triangle. So to do the area of a triangle, let's just do a quick review. Okay, I'll move that in a little bit. So to find the area of a triangle, we want to do the base times height divided by 2. Okay, now because these are all triangular prisms, that means that the base is always a triangle. So Liana, can you highlight number 1 where the triangle is on number 1? So she's going to be my highlighter. So you can see here that even though it's laying flat, the base is actually a triangle. So we want to find, that's good, thank you. So we want to find the area of that triangle and then multiply by the height. So try it out. Okay. So what we're going to do to calculate it, we're going to do the area of the triangle. So that's 12 times 8 divided by 2. And in this case, that would be 48. So the area of the base is 48, and we want to multiply by the height. And 48 times 20 would be equal to 960 centimeters squared. Okay, 960 centimeters squared. Okay, now let's try the area for number 2. Just a reminder, the base is once again a triangle. Liana, can you highlight the triangle one more time? Okay, so you're going to find the area of that triangle and then multiply by the height. Okay, so try it out. Okay, so we're going to do, let's zoom in a little bit so it make it a little easier to see. Okay, so we could do 11 times 4 divided by 2, which in this case is 22, and then multiply by the height, which is 6, and 22 times 6 would give you 132 feet squared. Oh, I'm sorry, cubed. I think I messed that up for the first one too. That's right, because it's volume, it should be cubed, not squared. I apologize. So we could change that there. Okay, so 132 feet cubed for number 2. Okay, try number 3. Okay, so like we did last time, the base is once again the triangle. So we want to do, sorry, we're going to highlight for a second. There we go. So we want to do 9 times 4. Oops, that's a little too late for me if you ask me. So 9 times 4 divided by 2, which in this case is 18. And 18 times 8 would give us 144 inches cubed. Okay. All right. Let's try number, let me just move it here. Hold on. Let's try number 4. Find the volume of number 4. Okay, so Liana's going to highlight the base once again. The base is a triangle. So we could do 7 times 3 divided by 2. In that case, that is 10.5. So that's the area of the base. And we want to multiply that times the height, which is 5. And that would mean our volume is 52.5 meters cubed. Okay, 52.5 meters cubed. Okay, try the volume for number 5. Okay, once again, Liana, what shape is the base?
Triangle.
Triangle. Oh, be careful, not that one. Nope. Nope. See, that's okay. Sometimes we make mistakes. So our triangle would actually be here. Okay, this whole thing here. Okay, so we want to do, that's okay. So we do 12 times 9 divided by 2. And in that case, that's 54. And 54 times the height, which is 18, would get us 972 centimeters cubed. Okay, that's a big one. Okay, try number 6. Okay, so number 6, our base is the triangle. once again. Okay, so this has a nice easy numbers. We had, the triangle has a base of 2 and a height of 6. So 6 times 2 divided by 2 would be 6. And 6 times 9 is 54 inches cubed. Okay, 54 inches cubed. Okay, we have 3 more. Let's take a look at number 7. Okay, a little bit larger numbers. Try finding the volume of number 7. Okay, so Liana's going to highlight the triangle. Okay, good job. So we have here 13 times 11 divided by 2. And in that case would be 71.5. We multiply it by the height because we want to stand it up on that triangle. So the height would be here. So 71, let me zoom that out so it's not so blurry. Okay, so 71.5 times 15 would be, oh, let me just get that on my calculator for some reason. 71.5. 71.5 times 15 would be 1,072.5 feet cubed. Whew. It's a big triangle. Okay, let's try number 8, finding the volume. Okay, go ahead, Liana. Let's highlight the base once again. And once again, what's the base? What shape?
Triangle.
A triangle. There you go. So we could do 5 times 3 divided by 2, which in this case is 7.5. Liana's making me laugh as I'm doing this. It should be funny. 7.5 times 7, which would be 52. Now she's trying to smile at me and make me laugh. 52.5 meters cubed. Okay, 52.5 meters cubed. Okay, and the last one, number 9. Let's try and find the volume. Okay, so the base is a
triangle.
Triangle. No, this one right here, that's a rectangle. That other one. There you go. Do you know it's a rectangle, Liana, this part?
Mm-hmm.
How many sides does it have?
4.
4. Very good. So here we want to find the area of the triangle. So we have 14 times 8 divided by 2, which is 56 in this case. And 56 times 10 would be 560 feet cubed. P.S. Liana's now making faces at me even more. Okay, so this is our whole worksheet. Let me zoom out a little bit so you can see it. Okay, all right, so I hope you guys did a good job. Tomorrow we're going to talk about other prisms and finding the volume of those. So we'll take a look at that. Well, not tomorrow, technically the next day because we're skipping every other day. Okay, but hopefully you did a good job.